Want to add chapters to your video? HandBrake can preserve chapter markers from supported source files, and you can also work with chapter information when preparing your final video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add chapters in HandBrake in 2026, so let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the video you want to work with and wait for HandBrake to scan the source. Once the video loads, HandBrake may display any chapter markers that are already available in the source. Next, open the Chapters tab. If the source contains chapter markers, you'll see them listed here along with their names and time positions. Chapter information can make longer videos much easier to navigate. Now review the available chapters. You can check the chapter names and confirm that the markers appear at the correct points in the video. If your source already has chapters, HandBrake can generally carry that chapter information into the encoded output when the selected container supports it. If your HandBrake version allows the chapter names to be edited, select a chapter and enter a more useful name, such as Introduction, Main Topic, or Conclusion. Take a moment to keep the names short and descriptive so they're easy to recognize in a media player. Next, open the summary settings and choose an output format that supports chapter information. Then review your video, audio, and destination settings. Chapter support can depend on the output container and the playback software you're using. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish. When the video is ready, open it in a media player that supports chapters and check the chapter navigation. So if everything is supported correctly, you should be able to jump between the chapters in the finished video. And that's how to add chapters in HandBrake. Open your source, check the Chapters tab, review or edit the available chapter information, choose a compatible output format, and start the encode. Chapters are especially useful for longer videos because they make navigation much faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.